Aha, aha, aha, aha, aha, aha, aha.
Oh, İnşallah bir eve gidebileceğiz. Oh, metrobüse bak. Yola bak.
Ne şık ama bakmaya çalışıyorum.
Perişan olacağız.
Evet, buraya alınca. Gitti. Direkt.
Bu tarafa gir, bu tarafa.
Çek.
Vallahi sürekli kapısı.
Kapıyı. Oğlum kapıyı. Yavaş aldın aslında satayım. Bak soğuğuna bakalım. Vallahi kaçırlar gitti. Çek. Bak nereden gördük var ya o zaman da bir şeyler. Oha görüyorsun. Oraya bak oraya. Ola kaçın. Ola soğuk atıyor ola. Gördün mü? Sanki duman çöktü. Bak.
Early 1,000 roads blocked by winter storms across eastern Turkey. Snowfall in Turkey has led to road closures in several provinces, with teams working around the clock to clear blocked routes and minimize disruptions to daily life. Severe snowfall and blizzards have disrupted transportation in several provinces across eastern Turkey, including Van, Hakkari, Muş and Bitlis. As a result, 988 settlements have been left inaccessible due to road closures. In Van, heavy snow and blizzards have caused significant disruptions, with 74 neighborhoods and 161 hamlets across the city unable to be reached. Van Metropolitan Municipality has mobilized snow removal teams, which are working to clear the affected roads. Municipal teams also initiated snow plowing operations on streets and sidewalks in the city center and Baskil district. Shopkeepers have been clearing snow from in front of their businesses to facilitate movement. Hakkari has seen snow accumulation reaching 30 centimeters, 12 inches in the city center, and 284 village and hamlet roads have been closed. The provincial special administration and municipal teams are working to open roads in the rural areas, while snow removal operations continue on the main roads and in the city center. Citizens, surprised by the unexpected snowfall, have been clearing snow from the fronts of their homes and businesses. In Muş, snow accumulation reached 35 centimeters in the city center and 250 village roads have been closed. Snow removal teams are actively working to clear the roads and municipal teams have started plowing operations in the city. Authorities have warned citizens about the risks of frost and ice formation, urging caution while traveling. Bitlis has been blanketed by snow, with 219 village roads closed across the province. Municipal teams have started clearing the snow from streets and sidewalks in the city center. In the Auckland district, citizens have been busy clearing snow from their properties and vehicles. The municipality is focusing on clearing the roads to restore access. In other parts of the country, such as Adıyaman in southeastern Turkey, heavy snowfall has caused 198 village and hamlet roads to be closed to traffic. The snow, which started last night, is still affecting the region. According to the Provincial Special Administration, 25 roads in the city center, 11 in Telikin, 10 in Jurgür, 8 in both Gulbasi and Kada, and 17 in Sinsik, along with 119 village and district hamlet roads, are currently inaccessible. Teams are working to clear the roads and restore access. In Siirt, Batman, Cernak, and Bingle, severe snow and blizzards have resulted in the closure of roads to 559 settlements. In Siirt, 23 villages in Perveri, 13 in Ero, 17 in Bacon, and 39 in Servan are cut off, while the Perveri-Siirt highway is blocked. In Batman, 54 villages in Jurkis, 13 in Kozluk, and 56 in Seysen have been affected. In Cernak, 2 roads in the city center and 14 villages in Beetsabap and Uluder are inaccessible. Bengal has also faced road closures in Adakli, Jen, Karlayova, and other districts. Authorities are working to restore access.
Evet arkadaşlar, burası Kayaşehir 4. bölge. Tam tamına 18 tane otobüs kaldı. Yollarda tuzlama yok. Ve temizleme maalesef yok. Gördüğünüz gibi bütün otobüsler burada kaldı. Toplam 18 adet otobüs saydım.
The snow is also impacting daily life in Erzurum, Ardahan, Tunceli, Kars, and Agri. In Erzurum, traffic is slowed due to the accumulation of snow, with road clearing efforts underway in Senkaya district. In Kars, snow and blizzards have made the Kars-Digor highway difficult to navigate, prompting snow plowing operations to continue. Meteorologists warn that a powerful cold front will bring heavy snowfall to Istanbul and the Marmara region between February 18 and 24. If the weather system stays on course, parts of Istanbul could receive 80 to 100 centimeters of snow. Forecasters say temperatures across Turkey will drop sharply as a strong cold air mass moves in. NTV meteorology editor Dilek Kaliskin said snowfall is highly likely between February 19 and 22. This time, the snow will be heavier than last week's. Humidity levels are high and temperatures will drop fast, she said. Kaliskin added that temperatures in Istanbul could fall to -5 degrees Celsius, 23 degrees Fahrenheit. Heavy snowfall will also impact Ankara, where it could disrupt traffic and daily activities. Meteorology consultant Professor Dr. Orhan Sen said the recent snowfall in Istanbul temporarily gave way to rain, making some believe winter had ended. However, he warned, snow will return again this month. By the end of February, Istanbul will experience another snowfall. Sen said temperatures in the city will rise to 12 degrees Celsius, 54 degrees Fahrenheit in the coming days before dropping again. The upcoming snowfall will reach at least 15 centimeters, 6 inches, but depending on the system's intensity, accumulation could be much higher. Everywhere will be covered in white, Sen said, emphasizing the widespread impact of the snow. With forecasters expecting one of the most intense snowfalls in recent years, authorities are preparing for disruptions to daily life. Previous winter storms in Istanbul caused road closures, transportation delays, and power outages. Experts advise residents to follow weather reports closely and take necessary precautions before the cold front arrives.
Kaçta küçük yaralı var burada. Ne yukarı araçla çıkabiliyor ne